Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's look into some interesting facts.
The ice cream you see in ice cream ads is actually smashed potatoes because they will not melt during production. The world's most expensive cheese is made from donkey's milk. Rats multiply so quickly that in 18 months, 2 rats could have over 1 million descendants. Scientists design a thermochromatic window that can absorb sunlight and turn it into electricity. Cracking your knuckles does not hurt your bones. The sound you hear is just gas bubbles bursting. There is a lake, Lake Hillier in Australia, where the water is naturally pink. Rainbow can appear at night and they are called moonbows. The space between your eyebrows is called a glabella. The Statue of Liberty was made with copper, but due to oxidation, it changed to green. To save money when you shop, don't touch anything. Touching an item makes you more likely to buy it and willing to pay more. Japanese artist Monomi Ono transforms old Amazon cardboard boxes into sculptures. The Air Umbrella is an umbrella that has no canopy but will still keep you dry in any storm. There is a restaurant in Spain that grills its food over a volcano. Three Gorges Dam in China is so massive it has slowed the rotation of the earth. Elephant weighs less than a blue whale's tongue. This is the teardrop made and installed by the Russians to honor those who died in 9/11 and a statement against terrorism. Turtles can breathe through their butts and pee through their mouths. Meet the secretary bird. She has got natural makeup and long eyelashes. Round tables at Starbucks are designed to make solo coffee drinkers feel less lonely. Sunsilk used this creative method to tell people how Sunsilk shampoo makes hair strong. Trackless, driverless rail bus takes to the roads in China. Bee producing blue honey when collecting sugar from M&M factory trash can. There's a rainbow tree that sheds its outer bark to reveal bright green in a bark that then matures to blue, purple, orange and finally red. At Dal Lake, Srinagar, a floating post office was inaugurated in 2011, which served the population of 7,175 people. A lot of the spooky sounds that cause you to tense up when you are watching a scary movie are made by an instrument called a waterphone. Capsicum with 3 bumps are male. Capsicum with 4 bumps are female. The bird's name, Surakab, cost 25 lakhs as per Indian currency. 19 photographer took 62 days to complete the photo. It changes its color in each second. The longest mathematical proof is 15,000 pages long, involved more than 100 mathematicians and took 30 years just to complete it. Mushrooms growing on dead leaf on almost perfect alignment. Man takes 8 years to breed python with yellow smileys on its back. The most popular movie, Snack Columbia Theatre, snack in is roasted ants. Martin Lorello was also known as the human owl. He was born with the ability to turn his head a full 180 degree. A map of churches in Poland. In 2015, Godzilla became an official Japanese citizen and was also employed as a tourism ambassador of Japan. This salt is made from human tears and different emotions, and it is available to buy.
We will be back with more interesting facts. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.